Open is trending up 10.85%. This is Wednesday, the 12th of November, 2025. Intraday high not long ago, $9.44. Okay. Let's see now. The gain is now 11%. Underlying trend is strongly bullish. Okay. It seemed to be reversing so far. It seemed to be reversing its the contraction that began all the way back in the middle of September. It seemed to be doing that. Let's see. Fingers crossed. It has broken through this resistance at $9.3. Next target will be from 9.77, and then maybe retest its all-time high of 52-week high of 10.52. Okay, the extrapolation is also just saying not really so. It's just saying it's going to print a double top by from tomorrow. The first one will be tomorrow, hopefully, maybe. And then the second one will be on the 19th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. And then after that, a distributive contraction will play out. Okay. So in the interim, before the 21st of November, a contraction is expected. So the stock is expected to maybe pull back into this tiny area here. Okay. So volatility is expected to, the contraction is expected to, begin to play out from maybe from Friday. These are just extrapolations. No guarantee that will be the case. Okay. Projections are saying 10.07, 10.73. That's 10.73 will be a retest. Yeah, that will be another a 52-week high. Okay. But down here, the momentum seems to be, suggesting that we're not really going to see anything strong in terms of momentum. Not even nothing, anything, not like we've seen before, not like we saw from last week, from this Monday. Not like we saw then. More of a dampening of momentum. Okay, but we'll see. Let's see the 4 hour chart. Yeah, here the algos are a lot more ambitious. Here is just extrapolating a swing to the upside. Um, Expected to hold the strength up to the 19th of November. Then after that, a contraction is expected to play out. So here we have yeah, okay, the 40 period moving average is expected to serve as a primary, as a support as well. Okay, projections are saying 6.11 down projection. Previous projections 10.85. Yeah. But here as well, momentum, just as in the daily chart, no no strong momentum extrapolations here. More of tepid, decaying momentum. So caution is warranted. Caution is warranted. But I know people are really bent on flushing out short sellers on this stock. So let's hear more about all of that.
Opendoor Technologies Inc. is back in the spotlight as investors react to news that the company will soon distribute tradable warrants to shareholders. The development has sparked widespread debate across trading communities about the potential implications for short interest, near term volatility, and long term upside in the stock. Warrant distribution fuels speculation. The upcoming issuance of tradable warrants, which grant holders the right to purchase additional shares at a set price, has become a major talking point. Traders see this as a potential catalyst for increased liquidity and volatility, as warrant trading often attracts speculative interest. Some analysts suggest that the move could pressure short sellers, since warrants introduce a new dynamic to the float and can make short positions riskier during periods of heightened retail participation. Retail buzz and short squeeze potential. With Open already a popular name in meme and momentum circles, traders are speculating that the combination of new warrants and renewed buying momentum could set the stage for a short squeeze, especially if borrowing costs rise or sentiment continues improving. Online discussions reflect growing excitement among retail investors who view the event as a potential inflection point for the stock's trajectory. Insider confidence. CEO buying sparks optimism. Adding to the bullish narrative, investors are responding positively to CEO Khosrow Nejiatin's recent share purchase, which many interpret as a vote of confidence in Opendoor's long-term direction. Insider buying is often seen as a strong signal that management believes the stock is undervalued, particularly when paired with new strategic or financial initiatives. Opendoor's vision and long-term debate. Beyond the short term catalysts, discussions are increasingly focused on Opendoor's long term vision, positioning itself as a technology driven platform for home ownership that simplifies buying and selling homes through data analytics, automation, and digital transactions. Supporters argue that if the company can execute on this model, it could redefine how consumers interact with real estate, while skeptics point to persistent cash flow challenges and market cyclicality as risks to profitability. In summary, Open Doors warrant distribution and insider buying have reignited momentum and community engagement. For bullish investors, these developments signal management's conviction and a potential setup for a short term rally. However, skeptics warn that execution risks and real estate market headwinds remain, leaving open in a high stakes balance between speculative enthusiasm and fundamental uncertainty.
Okay, so market participants, they are discovering prices. So they, oh my goodness, it doesn't look okay. Well, it is not so liquid, but it works. It works. Okay, okay, quite liquid. This is about a lot more decent. A spread of 2 cents, I think, is good enough. Yeah, but it improves from time to time. You can see it this bid price increased, or rather the spread decreased by 1 cent. Yeah, it's 1 cent now. Yeah, so they are discovering prices regardless. They are discovering prices. Aggression is very high. Excuse me, and they have it has just surpassed this 50-day moving average. 50-day average volume. Volatility is expected to increase in the coming days. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. Yeah, get in there and see what you make of the stock. We'll see. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.